In this video I will show you how to edit cinematic effect using Lightroom mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password that appears in the upper right corner as a card. So let's start editing. First go to light. Plus 0.10 for exposure. Contrast to plus 30. Highlights bring to minus 100. Shadows to plus 80. White to minus 75. And black to minus 20. Go to curve and follows the steps. And done. Next go to color. Tint to plus 2. Plus 30 for vibrance. And saturation to plus 15. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Saturation to minus 20. And luminance to plus 18. Next go to orange. Hue to minus 10. Saturation to minus 25. And luminance to plus 10. Next go to yellow. Hue to minus 100. Saturation to minus 100. And luminance to minus 20. Next go to green. Hue to plus 100. Saturation to minus 80. And luminance to plus 60. Next go to aqua. Hue to plus 100. Saturation to minus 100. and luminance to +30. Next go to blue. Saturation to -80. And luminance to -20. Next go to purple. Saturation to -100. And go to magenta. Saturation to -100. And done. Now go to color grading. Open highlights. Bring the hue to 210 and saturation to 10. And balance to -20. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity to +50. Dehaze to +10. Vignette to -10. Midpoint to 40. Feather to 80. Next go to details. Sharpening to 20. Noise reduction to 10. And color reduction to 10. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.